Ever wondered why we yawn? It's not just because we're tired or bored. A leading theory suggests that yawning helps cool down the brain, keeping it at the ideal temperature for alertness and focus. It also stretches our jaw and increases blood flow, waking us up, giving us a quick boost in energy and awareness. And yes, yawning is contagious. Seeing someone else yawn can trigger it in you, possibly as a way for groups to stay alert together. So next time you yawn, remember, it's your brain's clever way of staying sharp.